What's up guys, it's Shax here. Today we're going to be installing OEM rear parking sensors in my 2011 WRX. Let's go. Okay guys, so in the box, I'll show you what you get in the box. This is the Impreza reverse sensors. Okay, here's the code if you want it. Right, these are the Obsidian black ones, black pearl ones, but I've painted the sensors to the dark grey metallic. So this is what you get. You get the instruction manual here with all the models. You see it comes in dark grey metallic, but obviously I didn't get it in that because the dealership didn't have it. Some information here. Got your wiring loom harness, right? Everything's just plug and play. In this one you got your ECU or control module and mounting clips, and you also get your little warning beeper, some foam clips, and this is the reverse sensor control module. And these are the 4 sensors. Alright, so you get 4 of these in the kit as well. These have already been painted the obsidian black, the dark grey metallic, and we'll get these installed. It also comes with templates which I've already mounted on the car. I'd rather do that before doing this video just because it takes a long time. So I'll show you what it looks like on the car. So these are the templates mounted on the car. Alright, just using some duct tape and some cello tape. Alright, what we're going to be doing today is we're going to be installing these, but by first we're going to be using the 2mm pilot drilling hole to drill the keyhole and to drill out the center of the place where the sensors are going to go. Alright, for the sake of the installation, you're going to remove the bottom mat, you're going to remove the side cover all around here. Alright, you're going to have a few clips. You're going to have a few clips up in the side panel here. Also a few clips in the side panel there. So you're going to be removing this, the under tray, and those 2 corner sections. Using a 2mm drill bit, drill pilot holes and keyholes into the marked areas of the templates. Make sure you don't discard the templates yet. Drill out the pilot holes using the 24mm spade bit, and then discard the templates after drilling. Remove the left and right corner foam pieces. Remove the 3 clips securing the rear panel, then remove it. Remove the taillights and the bumper, then feed the harness through the grommet. Connect the sensor harness male connector to the vehicle breakout connector. Connect the sensor harness ECU connector into the ECU, and then connect the sensor harness buzzer connector to the buzzer. Clean the mounting area with some alcohol swabs and let to dry. Secure the sensor harness body clips onto the vehicle's body. Route the sensor harness across the reinforcement bar and secure the sensor harness with the supplied cable ties. Push the sensors into the bumper and ensure that the sensor assemblies are basically sitting horizontally facing the center of the car. Now just plug the sensors into the harness and put everything back together and you're good to go. Alright guys, you're going to hear one beep when you chuck it in reverse. And we're just going to reverse back. And that's all it is, and I'll show you how close it is actually. Thanks guys for watching the video. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. I'll bring you some more OEM mods for your car if your car hasn't been optioned with that. Stay tuned for the next episode guys. Peace out.